There are two states which are grappling with deaths within children. This is over a spurious cough syrup that has now triggered an alarm in Madhya Pradesh and in Rajasthan. In fact, the death toll linked to this cough syrup reportedly in Madhya Pradesh has now risen to 9. There are 3 deaths that have been reported from Rajasthan as well. Both states have now launched their investigations into the matter. The Drug Control Department in Jabalpur raided the Kataria Pharmaceuticals, which is a supplier of this cough syrup. The samples were then seized and sent for testing. In fact, Tamil Nadu Drugs Control Department has now banned the sale of this particular cough syrup after similar reports were coming in from different states. Health Ministry sources are now confirming to CNN News 18 that the investigation is ongoing and that the state drug authority is leading this particular investigation. Blood reports from nearly 500 locals have come back negative for infectious diseases, which has eased concerns about an outbreak. The inquiry continues as authorities probe the cause behind these deaths. In fact, we have some breaking information that's now coming in. The Central Health Ministry has ruled out any infection in the area. Like I pointed out, that several samples were taken, at least 500 of them. There were blood tests and water samples that were taken from a certain area to ascertain the reason behind the deaths of these children. We're given to understand that the Health Ministry has now come out with a statement to say that there is no trace of any infection in this particular area, that it's not an outbreak. Sharon, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details on this. Sharon, what more can you share with us?
Well, Poonam, right now what we are observing is that Health Ministry has officially, in fact, given a clean sheet to the cough syrups that was used in Rajasthan as well as in Madhya Pradesh that could have, that has been linked to the death of these children. Around 12 children have lost their life. And right now the Health Ministry says that the toxic contamination components have not been found in any of these cough syrups, be it Madhya Pradesh or be it Rajasthan. Apart from that, they also have been saying that NCDC had conducted a further investigation into the blood sample, the CSF sample, as well as the water sample. They too have not found much as far as the infection in these areas are concerned. But at the same time, Health Ministry has confirmed that out of all these cases, one sample has been found positive of a bacteria, which is in fact caused, it's an illness that is caused due to the contamination of water and soil. Specifically when animal pee is mixed in the soil and water and it gets in touch with adults or children, it causes this particular bacteria. That could have caused the death, but as of now, that too is not confirmed because only one positive case of that bacteria has come out. So further investigation is being done. More water samples and more blood samples are being collected from these areas because right now, both cough syrup has been ruled out and infectious diseases have been ruled out as the cause of death. So the Health Ministry wants to be very sure as what could have led to the death of these 12 children.
Right. Sharon, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front. Let's listen into some reactions that have poured in.
सरकार की ओर से मामले की विस्तृत जांच कराई जा रही है और जो भी दोषी होंगे उनके खिलाफ कठोर कार्रवाई की जाएगी, ऐसा सरकार ने तय किया है। लेकिन मैं समझ सकता हूं कि CMHO भरतपुर का भी बयान आया है, उसको भी देख लिया जाए और पूरे मामले की तहकीकात करके इसके गहराई तक जाकर के निर्णय लिया जाए। जब जांच होगी तो सारे विषयों की जांच होगी, कब डिबार हुई, कब इसके टेंडर हुए, कौन टेंडर करने वाला था, आखिर उसकी सप्लाई में कहाँ दिक्कत आई, ये सारी चीजें जांच का विषय है। जांच करने के बाद
कंपनी के अलावा जो दवाई थी वो भी दिल्ली में बैन थी 2021 में, उसी दवाई को यहाँ पे मुफ्त दवाई योजना में शामिल किया गया।
जाँच कमेटी की जो जाँच रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी उसके बाद ही किसी हल पर पहुँचा जाएगा। और मैं निश्चित रूप से कह रहा हूँ कि राजस्थान में आम जन के हित में जो निर्णय होंगे वो निर्णय किए जाएंगे।